When will California be up and running again? Well, today, Governor Gavin Newsom laid out exactly what has to happen in order to make that a reality. But what he didn't answer is exactly when it will be. His plan includes 6 specific things that need to be done in order to lift California's stay-at-home order. Fox 5's Ashley Zavala starts us off.
Governor Gavin Newsom not offering a specific timeline Tuesday on when California could open back up.
There's no light switch here. I would argue it's more like a dimmer. And that dimmer is about what I was talking about, this toggling back and forth between more restrictive and less restrictive measures.
The governor and state health officials laid out 6 factors that need to be met before leaders consider lifting the statewide stay-at-home mandate. They include the ability to monitor and protect communities through COVID-19 testing and contact tracing, ensure schools and childcare facilities can support physical distancing, prevent infection in people who are at severe risk of the virus, develop therapeutics to meet the demand, and make sure hospital systems can handle surges.
We have a state vision, but it will be realized at the local level. Local governments, local counties, local health directors will have a profound and outsized influence.
Newsom says if in 2 weeks hospitalizations decline and equipment needs are fulfilled, then state leaders may have a more specific idea of when stay-at-home orders can start to relax. Newsom also warning Californians life in the state will take on a new normal.
You may be having dinner with a waiter wearing gloves, maybe a face mask, dinner where the menu is disposable, where the tables, half of the tables in that restaurant no longer appear, where your temperature is checked before you walk in to the establishment. These are likely scenarios.
Looking ahead to the summer, the governor says large gatherings that bring in tens of thousands of people are not in the cards. He says things could change, but it's unlikely.